Hello and welcome to how to grow Delphinium or Larkspur from seed. First, a warning. Delphinium plants and seeds are very poisonous to both humans and animals. If consumed, severe illness, paralysis or death can result. First step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local garden store. On the reverse of the packet is shown the growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a shallow tray which is ideal for germinating seeds. It comes with a transparent cover. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets and then give it a good watering. Step 3. Place the seeds evenly across the surface of the compost. Next, cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost and press down gently to remove any air pockets. Fit a label and then fit the transparent plastic cover. The cover helps both retain heat and moisture. Now place the propagator tray in a warm, bright place. Here I've got mine in a spare room in my house, but not in direct sunlight. Step 4. Within 1 to 2 weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 5. When the plants have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First, give the seedlings a good watering. Now fill a pot with compost. Give it a good watering and then make a hole in the centre using your thumb or a stick. Carefully remove one of the seedlings from the propagator tray using a spoon. Now place the seedling in the hole in the compost. Hold it by its leaf and not the stem, and then gently press the compost around the roots. Finally, water the seedlings. This helps get the compost around the roots. Step 6. Keep warm and watered, and over a period of several weeks the plants will begin to mature. Step 7. When the weather is warm enough, it's time to plant outside. I'm going to plant mine in this border in my garden. First, dig the soil to remove any stones and any weeds. Now mark the position of the plants. They should be about 18 inches apart. Before planting out, give the plants a good watering. If you want to get a neat row, use a piece of string like I've got here. Now use a garden trowel to dig a small hole in the soil. Carefully take the plant from the pot, being careful not to damage the stem. Place the plant in the hole and then gently fill the hole with soil and gently press round the roots. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 7. Keep watered and weed free, and the plants will begin to get larger. If you planted early in the season, you may get a flower this year, but only one of mine produced a flower. Step 8. Over the winter the plant died back completely and disappeared. This is the start of year 2. New shoots are beginning to appear. Towards the end of spring, the plants had grown from nothing to this size. Step 9. Flower buds will begin to appear. Each plant had multiple flower heads and gave a really beautiful display. An added bonus was that the local bee population seemed to love them as well. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.